Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is your teacher Ahmed Musameh with you. Today, inshallah, we will talk about lecture module 4, lecture about functions. Module 4, lecture about functions. First of all, we have to know what is the definition of a function. A function is a self-contained block of codes or sub-programs with a set of statements that perform some specific task. So the function, this is the main program. Inside the main program, we will have a sub-program. This sub-program is called a function. A function. It will have inside it some C language statements. This function will perform some specific task. After it finishes its task, it will go back to the main program. So this is very important. You must know the definition of a function. Now we come to the declaration, how we declare functions in C language. How to declare a function in C language. First of all, we have to write the data type of the function, the function name, bracket, data type, variable 1, comma, data type, variable 2, and we close the bracket, semicolon. So here, for example, int is the data type of the function, fun is the function name, bracket, integer x, this is the data type, which is integer, the variable is x, integer y, the data type is integer, and the second variable is y. These two variables will be used in the function called fun. Okay, now we go to the question. Declare or define an integer function named YIC. So the function name is YIC and its data type is integer. With three variable names ABC and their data type is all integer. So how do we declare this in C language? We say integer, int, function name is YIC. The first variable is A and its data type is integer. The second variable is B and data type is integer. The third variable is C and data type is integer. We have to use the comma to separate the three variables. We close the bracket and semicolon. So this is how to declare a function in C language. Okay. Now we come to the examples as mentioned in the information sheet. The first example is called example 4.2. This program says write a C program which accepts two integer numbers. Then using a function max, it displays the maximum of two numbers. So we have to write a program using the function max. This function, it will tell us which number is greater than the other. So here we have include integer max, integer x, integer y. So this is the area we declare our function. The data type is integer. The name of the function is max, and we have two variables we will use inside the function max. Then void main and start of the main program. Then here integer ABC. These are three variables used in the main program. A and B are input. C is output. Printf, enter any two numbers. This is a message displayed on the screen to tell the user to prepare himself to enter two numbers. Scanf, this is the input statement. The first number, it will go to A. The second number, it will go to B. Now the statement after that, it says C equal max A comma B. So the value of C, we will receive it from calling the function max, and we will send the value of A and the value of B to the function max. So here immediately we leave the main program, and jump to the function called max. So here the data type is integer, max is the function name, integer x and integer y. So the value of A, it will go to x, the value of B, it will go to y. Now we go inside the function, the body of the function, the performance here, the function, it will determine which one is greater than the other. Is x greater than y? If this is true, it will return x to the variable C. If this is false, it will return y to the variable C. Okay, and then after that we say printf, maximum is the value of C. And after we print on the screen the value, it will exit outside. Okay, so here if we check the online C compiler example, this is the maximum number. Okay, so this is the program. This is the program to find the maximum of two numbers. We can run. If you write here 5 and 9. The 5 it will go to A and 9 will go to B. And then we say enter, and the maximum number is 9. So we go down to the function. The 5 it will go to X and the 9 will go to Y. Now we ask, is 5 greater than Y? Is 5 greater than 9? This is false. If this is false, it will go to the else statement. So it will return the value of Y, which is 9 to the variable C. And then we print if this is what will print on the screen. Maximum is 9. Okay, so this is the first example. You must know how to work it out. طبعا here it's very important to remember that we have the keyword return. Return is a keyword that returns the value from the function to the main program. So this is very important that you remember this return, that we use it in the function. Okay, now the second example, example 4.3, says here swap two numbers. So we have to write a program with a function called swap. This function, it will swap two numbers together. It will switch their values. Include integer swap, integer x, integer y. So this is where we declare our function. We have two variables x and y. These two variables will be used in the function swap, void main, and then integer a and b. So we have two variables used in the main program. Printf enter values for a and b. So here, this is a message will be displayed on the screen for the user to display a value, enter a value for a and b. Scanf, this is our input statement. The first number, it will go to a. The second number will go to b. Swap a and b. This here will make we will leave the main program and jump to the function called swap. When we go to the function swap, we will take the value of a and send it to x. The value of b, store it in y. Then we have here a variable called k. This variable, we will use it in our swapping technique. K is equal to x. The value of x, we will store it in k. And then the value of y, we will store it in x. K is equal to y, and then after that, we print the swapping. Okay, let's see. This is the program. Say run. Say 6 and 9. This is the swapping. The A is 6 and 9. After we run the program, A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 6. I hope you understood this course, this lecture. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we'll see you in module 5, which is arrays. Okay, thank you.